up? Today is the big day. We are now live on Twitch for my birthday. Countdown to 12 to 1 a.m. to celebrate the last year in my 20s. So sad, but let's go. Bye. Wrinkles are coming. The wrinkles are coming. I'm really sad. Wait, there's so much love right now. Like, it makes me want to cry. Holy shiitake mushrooms. What? I do not look 19. Shut up, you guys. You guys are so sweet. All right, this is the subathon schedule for today. 4 p.m. we're chatting, which we are doing. We're gonna do hide and seek actually right now. And then at 6 p.m., I don't know if Roger is even alive. So we're gonna be on Roger's Island. We're gonna go to do some games on Roger's Island for Gulliver items, frozen DIYs, and the smile tickets. Then at 8 p.m. EST are going to Hokkaido Streams Island to win the 4 Jelly Beat shopping sprees. At 11 p.m. we're gonna set up for my birthday party, like literally in the game. We're gonna set it up on my mod Did You Meet Me's Island, and we're gonna open the few gifts that I got in my PO box. So that is the schedule for today. The next thing I wanted to show was the Jelly Beat. So this is win 4 shopping sprees, thejellybeat.com. If you guys don't know, I partnered with this kawaii brand. We're gonna do an obstacle course on Hokkaido Streams Island for 4 prizes. Prize number 1 is gonna win a freaking $100, thejellybeat.com. You can buy whatever you want, which is insane. Second prize is gonna win $75. Third prize is gonna win $50, and prize number 4 is gonna win $25 freaking dollars for to jellybeat.com. Thank you for the early happy birthdays. We have 6 hours and 30 minutes left till it is my birthday officially. So yeah, I was like a normie streamer with games and giveaways, and then I became a normie streamer with like one treasure island of my friends. And then I heard it was really cool. So I just tried it out, and it's like one of the best things that's ever happened to me because I actually have a lot of fun making the islands, even though they take me like 40 hours. It's like art to me. So you guys get 2 perks today for subscribing. 3. 1, we'll be able to get a step closer to 100 subs. You will move up in the subathon and be able to play, I get to roast your island. And then on the second part, you get to have access to the catalog island right now on stream in my Discord channel. So make sure to join my Discord if you have a sub. You also get access to all of my emotes, which I heard were very cute. You also get ad-free viewing, so when I pee, you won't see an ad when I run it. You will also just get my undying love, priority access to events. Never seen any of my friends do a subathon before, but I've never seen any of my fellow AC streamer friends do a subathon, so I don't know what I'm doing. So basically, the subathon breakdown is, well, first of all, every sub and gifted sub is a raffle entry into a December beauty giveaway. So if you guys don't know, I am a fashion and beauty influencer on Instagram mostly. Occasionally, I do some YouTube videos as well. So I am giving away pounds and pounds and pounds of makeup and skincare products. I will actually ask you guys if you prefer skincare or makeup. Right now we have 1 prize winner for that. I will announce that by like December 31st or like January 1st, around that time. So basically for every single sub that you donate or sub. Are you kidding me? Tabletopography, my real life best friend. Oh my god, he's one of my best friends ever. What? For every single gifted sub, you will get an entry. So for example, Tabletopography just gifted 10 subs. So he has 10 entries to win skincare and beauty products like for his girlfriend or something. So that's going to be like over like $2,000 worth of beauty products that you guys are going to get. And then at 600 subs, we're going to do Among Us for 1 hour. I know you guys have been like dying to play Among Us again. At 700 subs, we're going to do 4 beauty raffle giveaway winners. And at 800 subs, we're going to do 2 plushie giveaways that are my personal collection in my inventory. Lainey, thank you so much for the sub with Prime too. Can we get some sub hype in the chat, please? We'll be able to edit quotes, commands, giveaways, sound files, currency, betting, voting, mini games, and a song request. I didn't even know.
20 minutes later. 2 hours later.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to call the subs. It is closed for now. Exclamation point join if you guys would like to play in Roger's games. You guys are breaking me today. Seriously, my poor bladder. Oh my god, this is insane. I am opening these guac and chips like ASAP. Wait, we have another coming too? Wait, where? Roger, would you like to explain? Everybody, thank you so much for the follow while I was gone. Why can't I open this? Oh my god, what the heck? With the 10 gifted subs, oh my god, kawaii guy, what? Guys, don't start. Guys, we already had 2 hype trains. Remember we broke it? Hallcat, thank you so much for the 100 kitty bitties. Why am I struggling to open this? Kawaii guy, you're so sweet. John. Guys, go follow John right now. Can we get a shout out to kawaii guy? Oh, that took like 5 minutes. Uh-oh. I'm eating the chip that just fell on my lap. Jellybean is here, you guys! Oh my god, 268 viewers? Okay, I usually don't talk about my viewers, but that's just an insane number. What the fudge? It's a Fall Guys racetrack, you guys. This chat is so sweet. This is an amazing community. Y'all, I love you guys so much. You guys are the one that make it sweet, okay? Oh my god, this is the best birthday I've had in such a long time. It's probably... This is insane. Usually my birthday sucks because everybody's taking exams on my birthday. And like everyone thinks it's Christmas. My friends did so much for me today. Like, I don't want to bother them, you know? What? Oh my god! What? This was so unexpected. Oh my god, are you kidding me? David, you're the best. Oh my god. What, David? This is like, you made it look like I would like it too. It's like you, like, what? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You guys are making me cry so much today. Oh my god, this is so cute. Happy birthday, Casey. Oh, thank you. You guys, we have an hour and 10 minutes till my birthday. Like my official birthday. 1 minute and 27 seconds.
I'm dying.
Oh my god. What? We have another hype train? Oh my god. You guys. Toleni, thank you so much for the gifted sub. Oh my god. 40 seconds. Oh my god. Thank you so much for the 100 kitty bitties, Hallcat. Oh my god. Guild Cake just gifted 5 tier 1 subs. Oh my god. Tubby, thank you so much for the 210 kitty bitties. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my god. I can't even breathe right now. Oh my god. It's gonna be my birthday while the airplane is in the air. Sherry Nicole, thank you so much for the 100 kitty bitties. Oh my god, are we at level 5? Are you serious? Oh my god, it's my birthday! Here it is. Oh my god.
Happy birthday, beautiful.
Gracie just answered me. She should be coming too, I think.
Here, I'll give you the hat, okay?
Yes! my god, this is crazy. Oh my god, I love you guys so much. What? Oh my god, you guys are so kind. Thank you so much, you guys. Wow. You guys are wow. You guys really knocked it out of the ballpark. No, I love you too, guys. Stop. That is cute. It is really cute. We can all see up your skirts.
That's okay.
That's funny.
You know that I'm a bit down. You ain't really want to smoke.
One of my mods, Sarah, one of the first people to ever follow me on Twitch. Oh my god, what? Okay, I'm just gonna pull it out. It's a t-shirt? Wait, there's something inside. What's inside? Oh, left a note. With like a little gem here. Wait, I thought my green screen was off. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, you guys! So, ooh, we got a little wine stopper. Wait, this is so perfect because I have so many bottles of wine and I put cork in it and it makes the wine spoil faster. And I was like actually thinking about buying more wine stoppers. And then we got a pin. We have 2 pins. Oh my god, look, it's a black and a white cat. Oh my god, how cute. All right, next we have a present from Barkdole, our amazing mod. Wow, cool. Oh my god, so much Animal Crossing stuff. Guys, are you kidding me? It's an Animal Crossing lamp thing. Oh my god, I can put this in the back over here. Whoa. Can you, like, are you gonna do this to my gaming chair?
Wanna take a flight right now and then we'll rock slow. Cradle me back and forth, baby, need a big part enough and all my
Oh my gosh. Can you not? Hey.
Cause baby you special with first you the one on one. Too late, just like too late.
He's so cute. Thank you to all the Treasure Island host and the game host as well. So yes, thank you so much, Okaido Stream, for hosting the games today. That was so fun. So thank you for the island host. Thank you to my mods. Oh, I love you guys so freaking much. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. Lurkers, thank you guys for all of the participants. Thank you for all the donators, the bits, the cheers, all of that. The viewers, you guys are just here participating in chat. That means so much to me. I can't wait to hit the hay, you guys. I'm dying on like no sleep. So make sure you guys do Casey Kitty's raid, Casey Kitty's raid. Come on and do the hype. Do the hype, do the hype. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh my god, look at all those Santa things. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for celebrating my amazing birthday. That was one of the best birthdays I've like ever had. So I can't believe you guys were here to celebrate that with me. That means so much to me. I love you guys. Have a great one. And let's go in strong and show them some love. Love you. Bye.